look like I know you guys have not seen me in a minute, and I know y'all see I'm in a whole different new setting and stuff like that. It's been a whole lot of going on, and yeah, recording has not been my top priority, y'all. I'm not even gonna cap. I've been having a lot going. Oh, my lips are dry. Anyways, like I was saying, I am back, y'all, and I am back with another hair video for y'all. Today I am working with Arabella hair. They reached out to your hair and they was like, "Ooh, you cute, I seen you on TikTok, you want to promote this at us?" And I was like, yeah, shawty, was popping. Let me see what's popping. So it's here, and this is how it looks when you open up the package. It came with this little bag. Y'all, this is how the hair looks. Look at the bounds, like. And as y'all can see, it has parting space. What hair company y'all know coming with some parting space nowadays? Like, I ain't gonna lie, the last few weeks I've been getting have not been having any kind of parting space. Arabella, yes ma'am. Yeah, this is the lace. It has the combs inside. I think if you want to wear it glueless, you probably can. Ooh. It does have shedding, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, the hair does shed, but I think it's because I plucked it a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I did go in and try to pluck one side, but yeah, this is how the lace look. I think it's a little transparent. Yeah, this is the lace. I like ponytails and stuff like that, and when I pull it up in a ponytail, wearing a frontal, I don't like that little caked up looking, like, you know, gotta thin the hair out a little bit. But yeah, this is how the hair look, y'all. And oh my goodness, I cannot wait to put this on. Y'all don't understand. I can't wait. Like, I'm so thirsty. I am so thirsty to put this mug on. I know the exact style I want to do, but I don't know the exact style my stylist wants to do. So we're just gonna let her decide, because I know she's gonna pop her mother effing-ish. So I'm gonna be looking like a baddie, little big baddie. But this is what I mean. Like, you don't want to put a ponytail in your head with a frontal and then it looks like that. Like, you know, you gotta pluck it a little bit. It does not have that fishy smell, thank God. I will recommend still washing your weave, still wash your hair. Always make sure you always wash your hair, but it don't have that bad fishy nasty smell. It really smells like conditioner, like, in a way, but it ain't got that weave perm smell. I'm about to go get my hair done. You guys are coming with me so y'all can see me getting slayed, honey, because as y'all can see right here, this finna be so fire. This finna be so fire. Y'all, I'm finally here. This my girl. Stop right there. She got a bad bitch in the mirror. She just got done with. Yes, ma'am. Her hair is cute as hell. It's gonna be my turn. I'm ready. Y'all, I'm fucking leaving because I just took my wig off and all my edges is gone.
Let the bitch breathe. Alright.
This bitch can't do my hair no more. She can't do my hair anymore.
And I just cut one of her braids off.
And she cut one of my braids off.
It was no accident though, y'all.
I still got my.
You got lighter in your car?
Yes. Y'all, is y'all hairstylist a fiend? Or is that just mine? Cause she itching, scratching, itching.
Y'all, so it's me, the stylist, and we finna go look for her. She just went to the shack to get some food. Sorry for the lighting. Y'all should book with me at Style by Dage. I am at the Suite 16630 Imperial Valley Drive, zip code 77060. You know, frontals. I do braids too sometimes. If
I was just about to call you.
she fucking that shit. What you got?
Yeah, this is my current situation.
Show my work.
Now I'm just waiting on my stylist. She just came back from a crack break. You do not gotta press that hard.
Girl, I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, you just called my
You probably
eyebrow.
trying to make them people think I'm aggressive.
That is my edges.
Bro, look at your face.
I'm gonna edit it. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Miss Daily J. Tell talk to me. Literally the Daily J collection, like dude. Are you still here?
Yeah. My voice deep. color
y'all. She is on to this side, and this is done.
We is pinning the curls up, so you know.
Pinning the curls, finna do it for the girls.
Stay while we do the edges.
Yes, it took her like 3 hours to do this. More like 10, but you know, I'm gonna jot it down some because it's my girl. But getting it done.
Bad bitch loading.
It's my loading noise. What is yours? No, it's no.
Yes, it is. You was giving helicopter.
Loading.
No, just because you make the circle don't mean it's going loading. Just
girl, fuck you. And we are done, honey. Get into the look.
Final product. We did a little curls, little swirls. She was very much into
she just almost killed me.
Tailon guardswoman with dark skin tone. Or tail.
Hello? Huh?
I am all done, y'all. So
you say where it was supposed
thank
to be
you to my girl Dej back there. I'm gonna get ready to go where I need to go. You look good, girl. Well, I don't think you can really see me that much in this.
Because I assumed that it was supposed to be at one of their houses. Because that's where the other one was at.
You look good, girl. Don't take nobody man, bitch. But I'm finna get ready to get up out of here. I might go back home. I don't know, but I'm not getting out this ring light no time soon. I'll be back, y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm back, and look at this hair. Like, I just used my wand curler to, you know, refresh the curls or whatever. It's been about, I want to say 3-4 days. I got my hair done Friday, y'all. It is now Tuesday. It's 2:28 a.m. Ooh, it's the first of the month. Y'all know what that means. Anyways, so yeah, this hair been about 5 days. Yeah, and still intact. Still intact. Shout out to my girl Style by Dej, y'all. She really did her thing with my hair. I really wish I could have showed y'all the style that she did before I took the ponytail and stuff out, because that was really cute. But I haven't been home, y'all. I just made it back home today in a way. So yeah, and I have time to record for you guys. So here I am. I'm gonna give you guys a 4 or 5 day update and review on Arabella hair. Let me just start by saying, y'all, this hair is bomb. Like, bomb. I really want to comb out these curls, and that's what I'm gonna do. Should I just finger comb it? But yeah, y'all, this hair is bomb. It's literally so soft, easy to work with. Like, I'm talking about fire. Like, I loved it. This is my first long highlighted body wave wig like this, and for this to be my first time, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I love it. Like, I like this big look. I don't know why, but I just like it like that. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm so happy that I don't have this itty bitty part. Like, they really hooked your girl up, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, the wig is like medium size cap. So if you go on their website, you can probably get like a small size one or like a large size. But I know this wig was like a little bit too big for my head. But my girl Dej got me together. Shout out to my girl once again. On the lay, 5 days later, this is what we looking like. You feel me? It is now 2:40, y'all. 2:41 actually. Yeah, I'm up. But y'all, I give this hair a 10. I just like looking in the mirror. Like, y'all already know how I get. Y'all already know how I am when it comes to me getting my hair done. Like, I just can't stop touching it. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm about to do it, Mom. I just cannot stop touching it. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. Because, like, you're a whole new bitch. Who are you? Like, girl, you was not here a couple of days ago. Shout out to my girl. Shout out to my mama and my father for these genes, these genetics. Cause your girl looking real spiffy right now at almost 3 a.m. in the middle of the night. I look good. If you tell me I don't look good, fuck you in your hood, okay? Okay. Nah, for real though. If you tell me I don't look good in this hair from Arabella, you're hating. Ladies, I suggest you right now, go get your wigs. This wig link will be in the description down below. Arabella, thank you so much for letting me. Ooh, thank you, y'all. Thank you so much for turning me into one of them. Nah, thank you guys so much for hitting me up, y'all. I am so happy to try this wig. If you guys have any style suggestions, leave it down below in the comments. I'll be happy to do them for y'all. I really want to do more styles. Everything will be in the description down below on this hair, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and get your wigs with Arabella hair, because baby, they will not disappoint. And if you in Houston, go get styled by my girl Dage. I love this little messy look. But if you're in Houston, go get styled by my girl Dage. If you want to see more of me in this wig and want to see me do things with this wig, just comment down below, let your girl know. Mwah. Thanks for watching. I really look good.